So if you were to sign in with your account inside a Photopea, right here, just like this, with the free account, you have access to 0.5 GB of Peadrive, which is a cloud service that is specific to Photopea. So if you want to go around and access out the Peadrive over here in the main page itself, you can click on Peadrive, and this is what you have. So I already have some files right here, just like this, and you got the folder over here as well. So you can go around, create another folder as well, just like this, and then maintain it like a cloud drive to store your files. You can also go ahead and upload out your contents right here. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and upload out this particular image right here, click on open, and then it simply gets uploaded right here, just like this, and the image is there. If I were to go ahead over here and then let's say, for example, double click right here, just like this, then what happens is that it opens that particular image inside a Photopea itself right there. And that is how you can work around with the Peadrive right here and utilize the cloud storage specific to Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.